Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I will walk you through Microsoft Teams for beginner in 2025. Whether you are using Teams for school, work or remote collaboration, I will show you how to set it up and use it effectively even if you are never used it before. Let's get it started. So first of all, we are going to talk about what is Microsoft Teams. So as you can see, we already created an account over here. This is our Microsoft Teams account. As you can see, if I go to the incognito window and if I search for Microsoft Teams, then you will get this kind of an interface. Let's go over here, and now you can see this will be something like this. Like here you can see Microsoft Teams is a communication and collaboration platform for Microsoft. You can chat with, like here you can see the product over that place. See, it is Teams for small and medium business, enterprise, home, education, Teams Premium, Teams Phone, Teams Rooms and many more. Also their feature, if I talk about their feature, by using the Microsoft Teams you are allowed to do online meeting, then video conference, share screen, custom backgrounds, webinars, accessibility, town hall, and you can do team phone calls, VoIP, PBX, video calling and many more. And you can do AI in Teams chat and collaboration. Like you can see that one by one, and they also provided us some, I can say, application for our phone and our desktop or laptop. So here you can see these are the future news and solution we have. So you can chat with individuals or group through Microsoft Teams. Second, you can host and join video meeting by using this Microsoft Teams. Next, share files and collaborate in real life. So you can do it this one. Then last one is work with apps like Word, Excel, Planner and more, all of from one place on desktop, web or mobile. So you can see it. They have resource panel, so you can explore it. It is really a great apps or application. Next section we are going to walk through, that will be how we can get started. As you can see, we already created an account. So how you can create an account? So first of all, you need to go to the teams.microsoft.com. let's search here, teams.microsoft.com, and here you will get the option to logging onto the account. So if you have an account, it will be automatically logging to your profile and you will eventually get this kind of an interface. Or if you not, then it will ask for logging, or it will give you the option for sign in with Microsoft account, personal or work school. So if you have a part of an organization, team will auto connect you to your groups. So first of all, you just need to create an Outlook account here. This is the kind of a platform like a Gmail. So here you need to create an account. They will provide you the account name Rahman. This is my Outlook account, and through this one I create this Microsoft Teams account. Once you logged in, you will see the main dashboard with your team, chat and calendars. So here you can see team, chat, meet, communities, calendar and activity. So let's go on to the section 3, and we are going to discuss about navigation overview. So here on the left hand side, in the left hand side you can see, or you are allowed to see, that activity. This one is the activity panel. In the last you can see here you can notification and mention. You will get, like you can see, they already described that you will see mention, reactions and other notification here. Then next is chat. In the top of the line, first one is chat. Here you can direct message with people. You can communicate through message or chat. Then next is meet. So here you can meet any person in a video call. Here you can schedule a meeting, or you can join with a meeting ID. So it is a platform where you can talk in each and group with video meeting. Next is the Teams, your groups and channels, where you can see in this Teams options. Then we have the communities, and also we have the calendar. Calendar is schedule or joining meetings. It help you, like you can Rakuten events in here. Like here you can see, if you tap one, you are allowed to add title, then enter the name, email, or whatever you want. It helps you to organize your work. So this is the discussion about navigation. Let's dive into the 4-number topic, and that will be how to use the chat. So I'm going to explore one by one all the navigation bar, and you will understand how the easy process was. So here you can see we have some option called send a message, emoji, or file in chat. So here, first of all, if you want to start a chat, here you just need to be click over here to new chat. Just click here, and here you need to be add some people. Like I'm going to add my friend. His name is mahin658@gmail.com, and I will add him to this platform, and I can start chat with him. So I'm going to send message, hi, did you watch my video, my last video? I'm asking him a question, so let's click on send. So I already sent it. So for second, you need to select a person or a group, then you need to be click on create a new chat. So the process is literally really simple. Actually, you don't need to make it difficult. It is so much easy, so make it wisely. Next, type your message. I already type a message, and you can see I already sent it. And you can add emojis, GIFs, or upload a file here. Or here you can see this is the option for emoji. Here we have some emojis, couple of emojis over here. As you can see, if I click on hit enter, then you can see, then we can add image through these options. Here you can see upload from the device. Here let's click on download and upload this one, and let's click send it. And here you can see uploading, so it will take a while, then it will be uploaded perfectly. So here you can see we already sent our emails through this chat option. Next we have options called this one file. You can upload any file through these options. So it's support almost 2 GB maybe, I'm not sure, I need to be research on it. So here we have option like plus, so you can include some options in tools, news bites, Wikipedia, stocks, weather, and celebrate. So formatting options or say delivery options. So here we have couple of features which help us to organize our daily life work. So I will give you a tip, that will be you can also make voice or video calls directly from any chat window. So you have this option. So if you want to use it, you are allowed to use it toward this option. Here you can see you can add further more people, you can call, video call. So you have this option. So next section we are going to talk about that working in teams and a channel. So when you create a teams, here it is you can see in through this community you are allowed to create your own community. So once you click or join or create a team, then inside the team you will find channels like chat room for different topics. So let's go over here and click new chat, or if I add invite to teams, so I'm going to copy it and I will share with my colleagues so they can easily enter on the link. So use the post tab for conversation, use the file tab to share your collaborates or documents. This is similarly on the works on the teams panel, so everything you post is visible to the whole team, so it's great for group work. So let's talk about scheduling and join meeting. So here you can see we have this calendar options. You just need to be click over here, and you need to be select a date. Here let's select 29, and then here you will have the option for new meeting details. So you need to be add title. I am going to add a title that will be subscribe. Then I will enter the name of my colleague or Gmail address. So here I add it. As you can see, it already add. It will be held on 29th, and the time will be 4:30 p.m. as you can see. And I'm going to add location. If you want, you are allowed to add the location. Once you're done, you can add some description over here, then just click on send. Once you click on send, then it will be hit to the people you want to send it. So you can inside the meeting you can share your screen, use chat, record if allowed, use reaction and raise hands. So you have couple of other options in the meeting. So it makes really sense to use this platform. So now our meeting is created. Share the meeting invitation with others. So here they give us the option, just copy it and you will just share through this one. Let's share it. As you can see, this way your client will be find it out. So this is really easy. Let's talk about the section 7, and that is sharing and collaboration on files. Like you can upload documents in chat, channel and files tab. Click on any file to open and edit inside Teams without needing to leave the app. Like Teams integrate directly with OpenDrive or OneDrive and SharePoint for storage. So you will have the option, you don't need to go outside for this. You will open it from this option. Here you can see I open the file through the Google Teams, Microsoft Teams. And let's talk about the setting and tips in this section. So first of all, quick throw for setting icon. Here you can see we have the setting option in here. So you need to be click over that panel. So first of all, click your profile picture, just click over here. Then you will find out the setting option. Here you can see you can change your display name, you can view your profile. Let's click on here. Then you can change the theme color to light, dark, high contrast, and you can adjust notification also. You can connect LinkedIn, you can see the overview. Again, let's go and click over that place. Let's click on setting. Once you click over here, in here you will see the appearance. You can change the theme. If you click on dark, you always use the dark theme. Then you can change the skin tone. Then you can change the notification and activity. You have the authority to change it, like you can adjust it. Then you can manage device. Here you can see device option. You can manage it through this option. Audio setting, you can select the video setting. Like you have all the authority here. You can edit it as your wish. Next, I will give you some pro tips around this one, that use your search bar at the top to find message, people or files. Here you can see we have the search bar. Through this option you can find your message, people or files. Next, I am going to talk about that if you are using Windows, then you need to be click on press Ctrl E and instantly it will be jump to the search. Let's click on Ctrl E and it will be jump on the search term. So it's really easy. I hope you understand how much easy the process is. So next we are going to talk about the recap panel. So here we are going to give you the recap, that is in Microsoft Teams. If you are using, then you can do it like similar things like chat and video call. You can do it. Then you can do it work in groups and channels. Next, you are allowed to share and edit files together. Then you can schedule and join meetings for your clients, for your company. Next, you have all in one place. So it makes your work so much easy and organized. So perfect for Teams, like Microsoft Teams is perfect for your group, your school and your remote work. I hope this whole video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and I think you right now get so much knowledge about Microsoft Teams, and I try my best to make this video on Microsoft Teams for beginners. So who don't know anything about Microsoft Teams, he can know so much from this video. I try my best to provide this all knowledge in a video. I hope I did it. And if this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe the video, and don't forget to share with your friend who doesn't know or any idea about Microsoft Teams. And let me know in the comments, what will you use Microsoft Teams for works, for school or something else. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Stay productive.